Have you ever pulled up to a stoplight and your car lets out this super loud, embarrassing squeak? You know the sound. It makes everyone turn and look. So, what's actually causing that noise? Well, most of the time, it's not as bad as it sounds. Often, it's just due to moisture, like dew or rain, that collected on your brake rotors overnight. When you first start driving, this moisture mixes with a bit of surface rust, and voila, you get that squeal. It usually goes away after a few stops. Another common reason is the brake pad, or indicator. It's a tiny metal tab designed to make noise and tell you, hey, it's time for new brake pads. So, if the squeaking is persistent, it's a good idea to get your brakes checked out by a professional. It's your car's way of talking to you. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more car tips.